Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. TRAI updates at Digital Connectivity Property Rating Rules. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, at TRAI, has officially issued the Rating of Properties for Digital Connectivity in Amendment Regulations 2026. Aimed at boosting indoor 4G and 5G signal quality, the revised framework expands the existing 5-star scale to a more granular 9-level system by introducing half-star increments. Crucially, the amendments introduce a phased certification process for under-construction projects, awarding designed-for certificates at the planning stage. It also introduces an optional pre-rating infrastructure audit for existing buildings and enforces strict conflict of interest rules for rating agencies. Amazon cuts workforce in selling partner services to fund AI. Amazon has announced another round of layoffs, this time targeting its selling partner services division, which supports the platform's millions of third-party merchants. While described as a minor reduction, it follows approximately 30,000 job cuts executed across various divisions over the prior 6 months. Under CEO Andy Jassy, Amazon is aggressively restructuring to streamline post-pandemic operations while concurrently ramping up multi-billion-dollar investments in AI infrastructure, retail automation, and logistics technology. Affected employees will receive comprehensive severance packages and career transition support. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Flip 8 to debut Google Gemini Intelligence. Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Flip 8, are heavily tipped to be the first devices to launch with Google's newly unveiled Gemini Intelligence AI features. Integrated via the upcoming Android 17-based One UI 9 software, this system-wide AI layer focuses on advanced multitasking and cross-app automation. Expected to launch at Samsung's Unpacked event in July, these foldables will showcase proactive capabilities like multi-step task execution, intelligent form autofill, and Gboard's Rambler voice-to-text refinement tool before Google's own Pixel lineup. Amazon replaces Rufus with Alexa-powered AI shopping assistant. Amazon has retired its Rufus chatbot, replacing it with a more advanced AI shopping assistant powered by the latest Alexa LLM. This new assistant provides a more conversational and intuitive experience, allowing users to ask complex questions about product features, comparisons, and reviews directly within the mobile app. By integrating Alexa's sophisticated reasoning capabilities, Amazon aims to streamline the path to purchase with highly personalized recommendations. The update reflects a broader strategic shift toward embedding generative AI across Amazon's entire retail ecosystem. X introduces centralized history tab for enhanced navigation. X, formerly Twitter, has rolled out a comprehensive history tab designed to streamline how users revisit past interactions. This new feature consolidates liked posts, bookmarks, recently watched videos, and read articles into a single organized dashboard. Previously scattered across different sections of the profile, these categories are now easily accessible, improving the platform's user experience and content discoverability. The update is currently being deployed to mobile users globally, with a web version expected to follow shortly as part of X's ongoing interface overhaul. Vivo TWS 5e launch features ANC and impressive battery life. Vivo is set to launch its latest audio offering, the Vivo TWS 5e, on May 29th. These earbuds are highlighted by a powerful 55 dB active noise cancellation ANC system designed to significantly reduce ambient noise for a clearer listening experience. Additionally, the TWS 5e boasts an exceptional 55-hour total battery life When combined with the charging case, with a sleek design and competitive features, Vivo aims to capture the attention of budget-conscious audiophiles looking for premium performance and long-lasting endurance in the wireless segment. Today's AI tool is Genspark. The multi-step workflow AI super agent Genspark is an AI workspace featuring a super agent that orchestrates multiple language models to execute complex multi-step workflows. Instead of chaining tools manually, users can generate complete research briefs or slide decks from a single prompt. Integrated with OpenAI's real-time API, it uniquely includes an AI agent capable of placing actual voice calls on your behalf. While highly efficient for power users, Genspark suffers from a poorly reviewed billing system, opaque credit tracking, and difficult customer support, making billing caution necessary despite its competitive output quality. Today, our lead story is about Dell unveils AI-powered 14S, 16S, and Alienware 15 laptops. Dell has expanded its Copilot Plus PC portfolio with the slim, lightweight Dell 14S and 16S laptops built for portable productivity. Powered by Intel Core Ultra Series 3 or AMD Ryzen AI 400 processors, they deliver up to 50 TOPS of NPU performance for on-device AI acceleration. Alongside these, Dell introduced the accessible Alienware 15 gaming laptop, featuring a 15.3-inch 126 touch versus display and NVIDIA RTX 50 series graphics. The lineup emphasizes advanced thermal design, military-grade durability, and robust battery life, with the Dell 14S offering up to 24 hours of usage. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to upcharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.